A stampede in Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh on Wednesday evening has claimed the lives of at least 6 devotees, with many others injured as thousands of pilgrims gathered to secure tickets for the annual Vaikunta Dwara Darshanam festival at the Lord Venkateshwara Swami temple. Hi, my name is Sneha Biswas and you are watching the Free Press Journal. The chaos unfolded near the Vishnu Nivasam temple, where devotees had lined up for the highly anticipated event that begins on January 10th. So what exactly happened? The incident took place near the Vishnu Nivasam temple in Tirupati, where the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanams had set up counters for the distribution of tokens for the Vaikunta Dwara Darshanam. This 10-day festival, which allows devotees to experience a special darshan of Lord Venkateshwara through the northeastern entrance, is one of the most significant events at the temple and attracts pilgrims from across the country. The Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanams TTD had made extensive arrangements for the distribution of tokens for the Vaikunta Dwara Darshanam festival, aiming to manage the massive influx of devotees expected for the event. To accommodate the high demand, the TTD had arranged for 1,20,000 tokens to be distributed for the first 3 days of the festival from January 10 to 12. These tokens were intended for Sarva Darshan, a free opportunity for devotees to visit Lord Venkateshwara through the northeastern entrance, which is considered a special and auspicious way of worshipping the deity during the festival. To handle the crowd, the TTD set up 94 designated token distribution counters across various locations in Tirupati, including key spots like Vishnu Nivasam, Srinivasam, Bhudevi complexes and other areas. These counters were designed to serve the large number of pilgrims who travel from all over India to participate in the festival. Despite the planning, the scale of the gathering was far larger than anticipated, with thousands of devotees crowding into these locations much earlier. However, as the day wore on, tensions mounted as the crowd continued to swell. The situation grew increasingly chaotic, especially at certain counters like those at Srinivasam, where a significant surge occurred. As the crowd pressed forward toward the counters, the situation became unmanageable. The stampede was also triggered by an incident involving a woman who had become unwell. According to reports, she was distressed and possibly in need of assistance when a gate was opened to provide help. The opening of this gate caused a sudden surge in the crowd, with devotees trying to rush forward to secure their tokens. This momentary lapse in crowd control caused the situation to spiral out of control, resulting in a deadly stampede. Chief Minister N. Chandrababu Naidu expressed his deep sorrow over the tragic incident. In a statement on social media platform X, he said, "The death of several devotees in a stampede near Vishnu Srinivasam in Tirupati for tokens to visit Tirumala Sri Vaikunta Dwar has shocked me. This tragic incident, which took place at a time when devotees had gathered in large numbers for tokens, deeply disturbed me." The Chief Minister assured the public that relief efforts were underway, with medical teams providing aid to the injured. The tragic stampede at Tirupati has left a devastating toll on the devotees, and it's not the first time such an incident has occurred. A similar tragedy unfolded last month during the screening event of Pushpa 2 involving Allu Arjun. So viewers, who is to blame for these recurring disasters? Is it the failure of the police, the authorities, or the people themselves? Share your thoughts with us in the comment section below and stay tuned to the Free Press Journal for stories like these.